If you want to make $100 a day using ChatGPT, then watch this video to the end. The method we're going to be using today is going to be using freelancing platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork. We're going to find freelancing jobs on it that we can easily do with ChatGPT. For example, we can search a YouTube scriptwriter. We can find a YouTube scriptwriter on Fiverr. There's going to be people trying to buy YouTube scripts from Fiverr because they're cheap, right? Like all these people have a lot of ratings, they have a lot of stars. That means they're getting sales, customers are happy with them. For example, this one right here, they sell health and top fives and a lot of other niches that they provide service for. They write a script for those niches. So for this video, we're going to write a script on healthy fruit. We're going to go on ChatGPT and ask it to write us a whole script on the top 5 most healthiest fruit. And this doesn't have to just be fruits. You can go do top 5 fastest cars, top 10 healthiest snacks, the best movies to watch when you're feeling happy, best movies to watch when you're feeling sad. There's just so much things you can do with ChatGPT in these type of work. So right now it's just finished generating, but we're gonna check out the gig here from the seller, and it shows that the amount of time that each package provides, and they all show different rates, and our content that we generate might seem a little bit short for a full script, so we're gonna try to make it longer. So it's gonna make the script longer, it's gonna generate it all over again. Once it's done, we're gonna copy and paste it onto Google Docs, and we're gonna check the word count. And it's at around 400 words, and that was around less than a minute of work. I mean, that's not the only thing that you can do. You can also do things like writing product description. If we search this up on Fiverr, you can see that there's a lot of people that are selling the service, and you can sell it too, because there's a lot of people that's buying it, obviously. So I mean, the rates vary from $5 to $10 to $20, some even up to $60, $100. So for example here, let's say a client asks you to write a product description on, let's say, a teacup. We're going to ask ChatGPT to generate a professional product description of a teacup. And like I said before, this doesn't only apply to teacups. This can be anything. Like it can be a product description of a plant, a computer case, a monitor. The list goes on and on and on. You get the idea. Another idea could be writing an ebook. If you search on Fiverr, there's a lot of people that offer this service, and like I said before, there's a lot of customers in this market as well, and you can take advantages by using ChatGPT like we did with the script writing, with the product description. We can do it again. So how we can use ChatGPT to help us write an ebook is we're going to ask ChatGPT to write an outline of a book on, let's say, the topic healthy fruits. Without you doing any work, the AI will again generate the entire outline of an ebook for you on the topic healthy fruits. It will get the introduction, table of contents, and the conclusion, all these topics you can write about for your ebook. After you finish generating all the table of contents and all the topics, you can actually ask ChatGPT to help you write a chapter on one of the topics. For the example, the importance of a healthy diet. You can ask it to generate a whole content, a couple paragraphs long on this specific topic. And once it's done, you can do this again. You can go up and then, let's say for this one, we do the role of fruits in a healthy diet. We paste it onto ChatGPT and let it do its work. After it's done generating all the content, we're going to copy and paste the table of contents onto our Google Doc here to organize the entire ebook. Here we have a good understanding of how long it is. So we're going to copy the first content under the topic of importance of a healthy diet, copy and paste it in, and we're going to do this for the second topic as well. And we're going to keep doing this, rinse and repeat, until we have the entire ebook completed. If you want to learn how to create YouTube videos with AI, click this video right here. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, consider leaving a like and subscribing our channel. And most importantly, take action right away.